Casual cruising on the Autobahn when suddenly a wild BMW M2 flew by. I could not help myself but try to chase it. I am driving in stock E91 335 diesel with 286 horsepower, and the M2 in front is probably the 370 horsepower model. Little wheel spin, a reminder that this car is not a four-wheel drive. And just as I was hoping, the M2 was in a hurry. Let's see what he can do. The 335 diesel is keeping up alright with the M2 considering its 84 horsepower disadvantage. Going uphill at over 230 kilometers per hour or 145 miles per hour, the M2 can show its muscle and pull away. Top gear. Not sure why, but it seems like the 335 diesel is slowly gaining on the M2. Maybe he hit the top speed limit. Both cars are traveling now above 250 kilometers per hour or 155 miles per hour. What a shame, just when I am about to catch him, it's starting to rain heavily. I have to reduce my speed due to my worn rear tires. Since I am not very keen on any aquaplaning fun, I had to let him pull away. Marley can go faster than 170 km per hour or 105 miles per hour. I wonder how my rear tires got worn out so fast. Rule number 1 of BMW ownership: always switch off the traction control in the rain. Rule number 2: roundabouts have to be taken sideways. Rule number 3: do not use indicators. And rule number 4, at least 2 out of 3 rules have to be followed, or buy an Audi instead. Time to call it a day. No tires, lots of rain, and no fuel. Not a great combination.